ProjectWise Explorer offers the users the most features and capabilities of ProjectWise. When editing CAD files, using ProjectWise Explorer is a must. In order to access ProjectWise Explorer, you must first log in through the connection client. To get started, you can double-click on the desktop, or in the tray, select the connection client and open. Sign in using your Bentley Services account and select Sign In. For CDOT employees, you're going to have your second login also. Our login and our username, and we're going to sign in. Now you can minimize this and launch your ProjectWise Explorer. Notice that there are extra data sources. We have the cloud data sources here with the lock icon on the data source itself, and then the previous active projects data source that you're used to working in. So the cloud data sources also are named a little bit differently. They're CDOT active projects, and the old one is CDOT _ active projects. They have the underscore there. So the first one in the list is the CDOT active projects, and this is where your projects are going to be. To log in, all you have to do is expand the plus sign to the left of the active projects data source. If this is the first time you've logged into the data source, you're going to get this working directory information dialog box. It's simply stating that the working directory has not been created and it needs to be created. So we say yes. If you select no, ProjectWise will close. So you don't have to log in to the ProjectWise Explorer because the connection client passes your identity to the cloud to authorize your credentials and gain access to the project. And here we see the new directory structure.